Bonjour, bonjour! I'm Mathilde from French Address in Paris and I answer all your questions about all things French. Today's question is how to make a Parisian bedroom. C'est parti? Number 1, go for a bed with a buttoned linen bed head and add a bench beneath the bed from the same style and color than the bed head. Number 2, a gilded mirror. This is very Parisian. Select a tall mirror with round edges for a very Parisian look. Number 3, keep it simple with the linens. Go for pure white bed linens. For the pillows, choose pillows in velvet or linen with French patterns, like flowers, gingham or toile de Jouy. Number 4, wallpaper or no wallpaper. Here, it's a question of size. If you have a small bedroom, like in Parisian bedrooms, I do not recommend to use some wallpaper. If you have a large bedroom, it's a good idea to use some wallpaper. My recommendation would be to have wallpaper only on one wall, behind your bed, and in soft colors, like gray, beige. Number 5, some airy curtains in beige linen or in faded colors, like blue, pink or green. Et voilà, now you know how to make a Parisian bedroom. See you on the next video.